If your SaaS is growing, but every important decision, question, and problem still comes back to you, you don't have a people problem. You have an operating system problem. A SaaS operating system is the structure that defines how information moves, how decisions are made, how work gets executed, and how founders maintain visibility as the company scales. So, how do you build one? Start with documentation. Your team needs one reliable place to understand how recurring work gets done. Document the processes, responsibilities, standards, and decisions people repeatedly need. The goal isn't more documentation, it's creating a dependable source of truth, so knowledge doesn't stay trapped inside people's heads. Next, build your communication system. Define where different types of communication belong, what requires a meeting, what should be asynchronous, and how important decisions are recorded. Without these rules, Slack messages, meetings, emails, and conversations quickly become operational noise. Then, connect communication to execution. Every important piece of work needs clear ownership, priorities, deadlines, and a visible next action. Your team shouldn't have to attend another meeting just to discover who's responsible for what. Now add operational visibility. Founders need to see what's happening without constantly asking for updates. Create simple dashboards and reporting rhythms around the metrics, projects, bottlenecks, and risks that actually matter. Finally, create the executive layer. This is where documentation, communication, execution, and visibility come together. Instead of reacting to whatever feels urgent, leadership can review reliable information, identify problems earlier, make decisions, and feed those decisions back into the operating system. That's the key. These systems shouldn't operate independently. Documentation tells people how work gets done. Communication keeps information moving. Execution turns decisions into action. Visibility shows whether the system is working, and the executive layer keeps everything aligned with the direction of the company. You don't build a scalable SaaS by adding more tools every time complexity increases. You build it by creating an operating system that makes the business less dependent on the founder as it grows. That's how you move from founder-driven operations to a company built to scale without chaos. SaaS Founder Systems helps founders build the operational infrastructure behind scalable SaaS companies. Visit SaaSFounderSystems.com to learn more and start building the systems your SaaS needs to scale without chaos.